Hey guys, welcome to a video. So today I'm going to show you how you can use an website as an app, like sort of you can use it. So right now I have here YouTube and I also have Reddit over here, and I also have Google Meet, which is not basically available for download, but I still have it. So to do this, first you have to go to your browser. Right now I have Microsoft Edge, and then you have to select the URL of the website you want. For example, I now have a Gmail open and I selected the link. So you have to first left click and then drag the URL, sort of drag it and to the desktop. So you have first dragged it, and as you can see I have made an internet shortcut here. So whenever you click on it, it redirects you to the website. So once you have done this, you can rename it to whatever you want. So I'm gonna quickly rename it to Gmail. I have done that, and then you can see that it has the Microsoft Edge icon, but I want the Gmail icon. So there will be a link in the description, the website called flaticon.com. You have to go there. Once the website has been opened, you're gonna search for any of the websites that you want. So like I'm going to search for Gmail. So like I have searched for Gmail and it's gonna show the results. So like I have this Gmail logo over here, and then you're gonna download for PNG. So you just click on free download. It will load first. Okay, so it just got downloaded, and there will be another website link in the description. It's called rwdesigner.com/image2icon. So you go there, and then you select the picture that you have downloaded, the PNG picture. So I have the Gmail picture here, and then if you have Windows 10 or something like Windows 10, then you select Windows for XP or older, or if you have 7 or 8, just 7 or Vista, then you select this one. Just click on download and it will download the icon. As you can see, the Gmail icon is shown here. And then once you are go back to your desktop and then right click the shortcut and then select properties. Then once you are here, just go to this web document tab and press on change icon. So click on browse, and then select whatever icon you want as you have downloaded. So I am selecting the Gmail icon. See, here's the Gmail icon, and then click on apply, then OK. So as you can see here, I have the Gmail icon now over my desktop, and this is basically like an app, but it's an internet shortcut. So you can directly open it. You don't need to just open the browser and type out the links. So this is basically how you do it, and let me know if you have any queries in the comments. Thank you for watching.